Come on, Tibbles. It's time you met my friends Meg, Mog and Owl. Boy, Flossie. Hello, Meg.
Oh, hello, Mr. Farmer.
I was wondering if you wouldn't mind looking after Tibbles for me. I'm going to town, and she's too young to be left on her own.
Oh, we'd love to. Isn't she lovely?
Oh, yes.
Mog?
Yes.
What a lovely name. Tibbles. Don't you think, Mog?
Tibbles. Great.
Coochie coochie coo.
Woobly boobly.
Aren't you going to come and stroke her, Mog?
Coochie wibbly wobbly.
Now, what about some lunch?
Oh, my favourite.
Later, Mog. Tibbles first.
But I'm hungry.
But so is Tibbles. I'm sure there'll be some left over, Mog.
Thanks very much.
Oh, time you had a sleep. There we are.
Hey, that's where I sleep.
I know, Mog, but Tibbles is very young. She's tired. Shh.
I want my bed back!
Hey, come back, Tibbles! Oh, Mog!
Come on, we don't want to lose her. We've lost her.
Tibbles! Tibbles!
Tibbles.
Tibbles! Oh, maybe it's time for a spell. Baa Blackcoat, fluffy and thick. Come back here double quick! Spells are so tricky. Oh no.
Mr. Farmer.
Hello, Meg. Everything okay?
Yes! No. Well, yes.
We can't find her.
Tibbles! Oh!
Yes. Somehow she found her way home. Didn't you, you rascal?
Oh, thank goodness.
Funny thing is, my sheep Flossie's disappeared.
Oh, I think we can help you there.
Flossie! It was kind of you to look after Flossie, too.
Yes, well, any time. Isn't that right, Mog?
Yes, it would be a pleasure.